Hi friends, this video is about NEET PG 2021. Yes, you all know about that this exam has been postponed. But the fact is that when this exam is going to be happen and what are the reason behind the postponement of the exams? There are various kind of misconceptions going on among the students, and I have got a lots of query about that. Sir, when the next exam will occur? Sir, why this postponement has been occur? Sir, I have prepared well, but this is bad things happen exam given purpose. Some are telling, sir, you have saved our lives. Some are telling that, sir, this exam postponement is a gift for us to prepare very well. Remember friends, this postponement of the exam is for all, and by considering the only one things, your safety, safety, safety. Remember that life is more important than exam, and you all know you are in the situation of stress. That's why you are giving a more stress to the exam, but real fact is different. So you should know about your misconceptions, what you are lagging. Remember, if you are following in our NEET PG group, what we are telling from the beginning, still there is no any clarification. Government is trying to conduct the exam, even they have issued the admit card, but the situation of corona pandemic and the second wave is not appropriate to conduct the exams at right moment. So yes, definitely problem is that many group has been created on the social media and telegram group, some coaching organization, some kind of mobile application group. They are continuously telling misleading, even without knowing the fact what is going on in the country. They are sitting in the AC room and just messaging and tweeting. This is not the actual fact. The fact is that second wave is not a small, uh, more spread is going on. There is a scarcity. You search on the net, you have a mobile phone, a smartphone, you search on net. There is a scarcity of bed, there is a scarcity of oxygen, there is a scarcity of drugs. So it's not a good time to conduct the exam or to put our frontline warrior to a situation where if any kind of miss happen, that can be huge loss for the society. So let's discuss one by one. Government has created this time more than 250 exam center to conduct the exam in a proper social distancing, physical distancing manner. Even they have tried to create a separate lab for those asymptomatic or mild symptomatic patient, doctors who are going to give the exam. But remember friends, those who are telling that they have arranged everything, what they are lagging, friends, it's not about 3.5 hour exam, it's about the situations. If some are telling, some are in confusion about that everything is in separate manner, physical distance, what the need to postpone the exam? The answer is simple. If anything happen on the exam center with a doctor who are corona positive, who are carrier, if they spread or anything happens suddenly, any emergency situations arrive, who will treat them? Where they go? Is there is ambulance ventilator service available at the exam center? No. Answer is no. But the same doctor who are working in the hospital, If anything happened in the hospital, at their home, they can take a preventive measure. They can reach the nearby hospital. But for your safety, government has created more number of center. Even they have given a center to the periphery, but they are not aware about the fact that this is second wave will come. So those doctor who are writing in exam at the periphery, if anything happen, is it is possible to reach hospital on the right time? Is possible to government to provide a specialist to all the exam center? How many specialists they will able to provide? Even India needs more number of doctors in the hospitals. So this is the first reason behind that. Second reason behind that, you able to understand that some around 1 to 2% or 3% who are appearing for the exam, they are comes from the women who are pregnant in first and second trimester. You all know about that. They are not a candidate for taking or receiving the vaccines. So vaccine is contraindicated in the pregnancy. You know about that. COVID vaccine is contraindicated in the pregnancy. So they cannot take the vaccine, but they have to give the exams. How they will give the exam? Is this is time to put their life and their baby life at the risk and appear for the exams? Is their family is going to allow to give the exam? Yes, you can answer that they will sit another year and they will give the next year, but this is not the solution, because they are your colleagues, they are maybe your seniors, they may are your juniors. So as a doctor, you should first think about your colleagues. They have not tell like that corona will come, corona will come, corona will come. Corona has come, no one know. The another question is that traveling issue. Why the traveling issue has come in the picture? Government has given the exam center, but because of this kind of panic situations, most of the students try to fill their application for on during one. We have we have constantly telling that, giving the information in the group in an authentic manner that put other option. Government has clearly given the statement that they will give your exam center at your correspondence address, nearby correspondence address. But because of fear, many students from the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, they had even from the Kolkata, West Bengal, many student has given another options. They have not chosen other option. They have tried to select the other center. So they have taken this center. Ultimately they have got that center. So right now, because of second wave of corona, they are not able to reach that center. Even they have e-pass, but e-pass is not for security to spread the infection or getting the infections. It is just to travel. But during the traveling, you not know where you are going to live, which hotel you are going to stay, and what the situation your family member who are carrying you or accompanying you, they may be belong to the comorbid conditions. So by noticing all these things, and the last but not the least, the issue of exam leave. Many doctors who are in government setup, government is not allowing to leave for more than 2 days or 3 days. And in this heavy workload situation, problem is that the physical and mental condition of doctor is not at the level to give the exam. This is exam, you know, this is the toughest exam of the world. You know, as a doctor, this is not a joke, just going to sit the exam or you are getting the seats. You know, those who are just not happy with the decision, you know about the toughness of the exam. That's why you are sitting in the room and you are preparing well for the exam. But think about those the corona pandemic, and they are not doing a job. They are also, some are comes from a background whose family is totally depend on their income, so even they cannot do that. And some doctors are also there, they want to serve for the society from right now, so they are giving the service, so their physical mental condition are not up to the mark to sit on the exam. So by considering the all the fact, the government has taken the decision to postpone the exam. It's not like that government is purposefully postponed the exam. They have constantly monitoring the situation. Question is that why 3 day back? The answer is simple. There is no any kind of measurement available that after 1 week or after 2 week more than 2 lakh cases will occur. So they have not planned about that. They have not think about that. The more than 2 lakh cases in a single day. That's why the decision has been taken at the last. So to avoid the mass gathering of a doctor, for the safety of the doctor today, in due courses, by seeing the conditions of the India, what the real situation is, they will take appropriate measure. Maybe possibility that they will arrange some kind of emergency services at the exam center, so that if anything's happen they will encounter that. So this is about the things. Some are comparing this exam as a political view. Why kumbh is allowed, why this election is allowed, why this rally is going on. As a doctor, think as a doctor, why you are thinking as a layman? If someone is doing wrong by gathering mass, if something happen, what do you think that should be happen with you also? You are the best in the society, you have best IQ in the society, you know doctor is not just like a common man, they have studied lots during their lifetime to achieve this degree. If anything happen with a single loss, a huge loss for the society, our doctor community, and the fraternity. So it's not a loss of a simple things, a single loss. A doctor can treat thousands, even more than 10,000, more than 1 lakhs, more than 10 lakh patients in their lifetime. They are the hope of their family. So a single loss cannot be compensated at any level. So this is the reason. If you want to do really politics in this, many political platform is there. You can go there and express their idea, but it's for your safety, and you are thinking like that government is doing that, government is doing, why they are not allowing that. Think for yourself first, and the government has taken best decision. Yes, there are some people they are not happy. There are people that are not happy. Some people are also sitting in the sitting in the good condition, in the safety condition, they are preparing, they are not happy with this decision. Remember guys, this is not like that you are not going to give the exam, your knowledge has been escaped out. Yes, something you definitely forget, but something is positive. You have time, you are getting extra time, you have done your preparation well. But I know many student, each year I am getting this type of messages, sir I have done these kind of silly mistakes, I have done, sir I know this question but I have marked wrong. That can be avoided by doing practice. what coaching, what institution, what online platform you are following, follow that. Just do more number of questions, more practice, so that you can avoid a silly mistake. So if you forget one thing, you are going to mark another things, right? So end result will be the same. And those who are thinking that I am getting extra time and I will do best, remember guys, time, how that come close to the exam, you don't know. So if you are getting extra time, try to cover those weak area where you are doing multiple time mistakes. So a small data fact, you try to cover that. So all those who are sitting, cool, calm down and revise. Your sacrifice for your colleagues, your junior, your senior is a sacrifice for your colleagues. So practice well and do well. Now, definitely, one thing is that you are sitting from the last 1 year or you are waiting for exam will happen anyhow. After that, I will join. I will earn the money. Dear friends, life is more precious. If you have given whole year, definitely from the January they have postponed to the April. Give another few days or few months, prepare well, cool, calm down, and think about society. You are doctor, and I can understand that now your concept has been clear. So why this thing has been done. Another group is there, that is postgraduate trainee group, that are first year, second year, and third year. They are also not happy with the decision. Yes, their reason is genuine, and I appeal to all of you, those who are first year, second year, third year PGT, cool down. I can understand that you are in a workload pressure, and this workload pressure has come from this corona pandemic. This is not because junior, or those who are appearing, they have tell like that. No, 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 I will not work. Remember your time. Last year you have given exam in the January. When the result has come, when your counseling process has completed, and when you actually join the course, try to think about the real situation. If you want to fight to reduce the counseling duration, try to reduce the result duration after the exam. So fight for the real cause, not fight your junior is not giving the exam, when will they join, when will come and they will help you. They will definitely going to come and help you, but these durations, they will not overcome, that will be overcome by government. So if you want to really want your junior to come earliest, try to think about these issues. Another things, you all know about that, what you have done during the last year. Many students have chosen the surgical branches, they loved to do the surgery, but because of these pandemic situations, you are forced or you have to do your duty in the COVID ward. Many big institutions, even on the higher rank side, they have completely dedicated last year their hospital to the dedicated COVID hospital. What you have learned? Have you done the surgery? No. And you can ask from yourself what you have learned. I have I have seen that multiple social media, they multiple doctor has asking and demanding from the government to separate a COVID ward and continue the other ward parallel. They want to learn. So overall, this corona pandemic is for everyone. So you think for the real coach. That is our message to you. And if you really want, ask a government to increase the number of PG seats, MD, MS clinical seats, because this corona has given a message. This India needs a more number of clinicians to fight with this pandemic. So, as a preparedness measure for the future, you can ask, you can raise a campaign to increase the number of PG seats, so that manpower will increase, a specialist will going to increase, they will serve better to the society. So that is the real things. Now, the things which you should all know, and what should you do when the exam will occur. The next exam will occur definitely very soon. Government will give a notification about that. Don't bother about that when exam will come. Follow your own routine. If needed, if government is telling like that, come and join the services, do, you should definitely come and join, because society need you and you are next to God. So definitely help to the society, and I hope you will definitely help that. Help your colleagues, help your junior, help your senior. If you are a real doctor, if you are not going to help your colleagues, your community, your senior or your junior, then definitely you have some misconception about that. So first try to help your community, then go to serve for the society, then definitely take care of your family, take care of parents, and the last but not the least, your neighbors. What may be the situations, you are God for them, you are the God. So you just keep watch and monitoring on also, because this corona pandemic, no one know who will be the next sufferer. Take safety precautions. If you are some person who are sitting in the room from the last 1.5 year and they are continuously preparing, remember guys, definitely your result will be good. Definitely in the coming days, try to take a safety measure in the way you are taking. And for the coming exams, if possible, visit your nearest health center, take the vaccination, so that if government need for that, if vaccination people are allowed for the exam or any kind of notification will come, you are in the safe zone. Last but not the least, a special thanks to all those doctors who have continuously risen, risen this issue to the concerned authority to postpone this exam, to for the safety of our community. Secondly, all those authority who have taken this decision, you have done a best decision. You are first taken the safety issue after you have thinking another issue, so you have done the best decision. Another person who are especially thankful to the all the media person who have thinking about the seriousness of this matter, and they are able to reach issues to the concerned authority. And last but not the all these government authority, MP, MLA, or lawyer, those who have helped us to reach this issue to the concerned authority. So we are all thankful to them. So my clear last message to all of you: everything had two aspects, a good aspect or bad aspect. everyone thinking about yourself ourselves, but just think about these situations all over India. They totally depend on our community doctors. So think about their safety first. A single loss will be huge loss for the society and our community. Definitely exam will occur on time, counseling will occur on time. We are trying this year to increase the clinical seat, and you all should help us to raise this issue to increase the clinical seat so that manpower can be increased. Secondly, the counseling time that can be reduced, and thirdly, the result can be announced on time. And government is doing best this time, and definitely we are hoping government will help us to solve this issue. I hope I able to clear your